Looking to book the cheapest flight possible to anywhere? Here are some tips to help you save time, frustration, and most importantly, money. Did you know that flight prices can increase based on your search history? Always search for flights in incognito or private browsing mode to see the lowest prices. This will prevent the site from inflating prices as you search. Familiarize yourself with sites that consistently offer the best prices, like Skyscanner or Momondo. There's no consistent truth to which days are cheapest to fly. The cheapest flight you can book is free. Consider signing up for a travel rewards credit card to earn points for a free flight. Budget airlines offer significantly cheaper tickets. Be adaptable, do your research, and know the budget airline's requirements and restrictions to book the cheapest flight possible. Track airline error fares and sale pricing to save hundreds of dollars on a ticket. Websites like Going and Dollar Flight Club offer premium plans with even deeper discounts. Ready to book the cheapest flight possible?